Heidi ho, okie dokie, there we go again. 2006, a Canadian quarter. Nice, I like this one. Shame I've got to knock out that middle bit. But beautiful, eh? So I'm going to punch a hole in it. I'm going to use a slightly smaller punch, because it's quite a small coin. So, off we go. Hope you're all doing well today. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, the two Pauls from Australia, Steve and Claire. Hope you're all doing wonderfully well today. Right, let's go over to the gorgeous, buxom Big Bertha. She's looking rather sexy today. And she's not leaking anymore. Right. Yes, we have to hit it on the bottom again. Makes a change, doesn't it? Okie dokie. So, anybody got any gossip about anything? If not, why not? We all like a bit of gossip, don't we? This is Christy Burr. It just cleans up that inside edge where I punch through it. Right, let's show it a bit of love with Bernie. Okie dokie. This is called an Ealing. I did get a comment a few days ago from a guy saying he didn't think I was annealing it enough. But what my girlfriend does, she often speeds this part up. Otherwise, you know, you're looking for 30 seconds. I tried to cut the videos down a bit to a reasonable time. So she speeds it up and sometimes cuts a bit out with the annealing and the sanding. Right, well, obviously this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So this is going to go face down in my 17-degree folding die. Need a bit of Looby-Loo. Looby-Loo. Where's my Looby-Loo? There she is. Right. Face down. Make sure it's level. Let me go over to the one and only top man himself, Big Red. Big Bad Red. I've got to go and see my accountant today. I've got to get some forms filled in for the UK. And I've got to be filled in front of somebody to prove who I am. Right. Who am I? That's what I want to know. I don't even know myself who I am. Where's Emma? There she is. This is the sister. Of Sandy. You just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits or bit more. There you go, that's pretty good. Pretty damn good if you ask me. Right, we'll now go over to the one and only. Let's do it slowly. There he is. Spiky. My main man. And Claire's favourite as well. Right. This can be quite a small ring. But like I say, I can adjust my rings up or down. I won't be able to go humongous for this one because it's a small coin. Let's have a butcher's. What we got? Still got a little bit of a bow on it. I think I'll just give it another couple of wipes with Sandy's sister. I don't want this one to split. I haven't done one of these ones before. And I like it a lot. It's really a nice coin. There you go, the bow's out of it. So now, you want to go down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dies. You want to find one. There you go. We put a bit of Luby-Loo in that one. A bit too much. You can never have too much Luby-Loo. Right. You just want to straighten the walls up a bit. Make sure it's square. I went a bit too much there. I want to go back a bit. See what I mean? You don't have to go crazy. Touch more. There you go. Maybe a touch more. A touch, but not too much. There you go, that's better. Right, is there a lip in it? Yes, there is. I'm going to cut that out. And Christy Bell again. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing it for me. It's free. There's no obligation. You just click that little red button bottom right hand corner of the video and you're automatically subscribed. And it helped me out no end. And I'll be your bestest forever. There you go, beautiful. Right, let's break out David Dremel. And Kate Bush is already installed, looking rather good, not too, you know, not too shabby. And if you ladies out there looking for a nice ring, I've got one for you. A bit different. Right, there you go. Now this is the Edwin look. Quite nice, eh? Now I'll polish it up. I like the Edwin look best, but I'll polish it up for you. You can see what it looks like. We'll take out Kate and stick in Felton. But if you prefer the Edwin look, I could just go over it again with Kate and she'll sort that problem out. Where did I put my polish? There it is. Hiding again. This is just a felt pad on the end of this. Ouch, a little bit warm. Right, how's it looking? Slightly cleaner cloth would be nice. How's it looking? Beautiful, eh? So Lizzie, what size we got? This is a size 8.5, nearest damn it. I can make it slightly bigger. I could probably take it to a 9.5, and I can also make it smaller. It still fits this Springer Spotty Dog. So thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Hit the like button, hit all the buttons, and God willing, I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. So bye bye.